here's a new car built from Restoration na nag-clock in yesterday ng 8-9 something ata, parang ganun. Tara, tingnan natin kung ano masabi ni Rep. Kasama natin si Tito Ace. Hi boss!
Hello!
Hello!
Hi! Congratulations! Congrats sa atin, congrats sa atin.
So what's your best time yesterday?
So far, we did a 8.9, then today, a couple of 8.9.
Couple of 8.9, pa rin. So you're targeting what?
Well, kung ano ibibigay ng taas. Hopefully, masunod yung ating dial-in so far. Pakicheck ng camera.
Okay, nasaan?
Actually, pinura na yan kanina eh. Subukan natin mag-dial-in ng 8.77. Sana mangyari this time during Super Pro. Nagbago isip ko, so baka gawin na lang nating 880 courtesy of Kuya Jun Ramos. Thank you, Kuya.
Good luck, good luck.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Salamat po.
Ayan, yung bagong build nila, Rep. Full carbon, EG hatch, unibody.
1,030 horsepower.
1,030.
Baka more na kayo, baka nagtasa sila no?
Sabi niya rin kahapon na medyo mas mababa yung boost nila. So ngayon, in-up nila. So they're attempting for an 8.8 today with this car.
Yun yung record. The record is 8.8.
They're going to attempt to break the record today here at Clark. So maganda yan, mawi-witness natin kung kakayanin nila. Tara, abangan natin yan. Ayan, ganda.
Sana mangyari kung utangin ako ni Ace.
Kaya ako na dito.
So habang naglalakad kami papunta dun sa starting line, tanungin natin si Boss Rev, ano meron dun sa kotse natin ngayon?
Well, yan ay K20. So, it's a crate engine from 4-piston, tuned by Omar Crespo, driven by himself also. So, we made a couple of 8.9 pass today, then yesterday, ganun din. So, we are praying and sana to beat yung aming existing na 8.9 and to get a faster run today. Sana.
Ilan horsepower yun?
That car is capable of doing 1.3 to 1.4. Right now, nasa, I would say 1,050.
1,050.
Doing 38 to 40 PSI during those 8.9 pass. Hindi ko lang alam kung tinaas niya yung boost. Tingnan natin.
Tara, tingnan natin. Exciting to. Ayun na, nakapagod na sila. Thank you, Boss Rev. Thank you. Preparation sa ginagawa pag nag-handle ka na ng ganito kalakas na horsepower na sasakyan. Kailangan perfect lahat, malinis lahat. Chinecheck ni Boss Rev yung track na sa condition dun sa side nila. Tapos nilalagyan nila ng water para pag nag-burn out to, malilinis yung leaks niya para for more traction. Boss Rep na okay na sila, we're good to go. Nagre-rep na rin yung na red light sila restoration, pero we don't care about the red light daw, sabi niya, kasi they're aiming for the time.
88 ano? 8824!
Galing! 8824. So, unofficial time, sabi nung marshal dito sa starting line, is 8824. That's a record here in Clark International Speedway for the fastest front wheel na sasakyan. So tara, check natin. Tumakbo na sila Sir Reb dun sa paddock. So check the time slip. Kasi yun talaga ang habol nila. Sobrang excited nila talaga to check na tama yung sinabi nung marshal. So ayan na, it looks like they're celebrating. Ayun na sila, nasa paddock na sila. It looks like they're celebrating. Mukhang official nga talaga. Pero titignan pa rin natin. Lapit tayo sa kanila.
Time slip please, time slip. Picture with Omar and Sir Phil. Nantay namin Sir Phil. Signature mo. Courtesy of Mr. Phil Gulpin together with Mark Yanson. Congrats, Paps. He is signing now the time slip. Front wheel drive fastest, Sir Phil? Yeah. Record. Phil, thank you po. Omar.
Congratulations to Restoration and all the team na tumulong para ma-achieve yung record-breaking time nila. Ayan. Nakuha!
Ha?
Nakuha! Congratulations!
Salamat sa taas. Nakachamba tayo.
Congratulations!
Thank you. Philippine record. Fastest front wheel drive. Salamat, Mark Yanson, Boss LRY, and to the whole team po ng buong Bacolod. Maraming salamat for this opportunity. For my team Restoration, para po sa inyo to. So, thank you po. See you again next time.
Congratulations! So, ano yung official time?
Sorry?
Ano official time?
Official time, the fastest record before is 8.86 and now 8.82.
Wow!
So yun, sinuwerte lang po, nakachamba. So, 8824, the fastest front wheel drive Honda in the Philippines for 2026. Congratulations everyone. Kailangan by rules.
Ano yung dapat weight
Kung ano
na-
yung winayin mo siya before the race, should be the same.
Ah, okay. Pero may specific weight ba na dito sa category na to? na dapat?
950 kilos at least with driver.
Okay. Hindi siya bababa doon.
Should be.
Okay. Congratulations!
Salamat, Pops.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Grabe. Sobrang nakakatuwa talaga pag mayroong mga ganitong bagay dito sa Clark na na-witness natin. Buti na lang, nagpunta tayo dito maski sa mga mishaps na nangyari sa atin.
On the northern seas of the
Sulit.
NDRC.
Sulit yung pagpunta dito at pag-witness sa mga ganun.